Good morning. This is Jeff, the day trade mechanic. I'm looking to make some lunch money today with one of those fish trades. I'm looking at coin, and rules of these trades are 100 shares max, 25 share lots. If I choose to go up to 100, I can. No overnight holds, got to be done intraday. So coin has kind of been all over the place to start the day here, and I'm looking maybe to get in around 91 or a little bit underneath. So I think I might put in a little starter position, bid down here around 90.50. See what happens. Okay, so we're bidding down there at 90.50. And I'll bring in a 2-minute chart here because this thing has been kind of wild this morning already. I'm going to pause this. Looks like it's running away from me. Yeah, I'm going to cancel this. Just cancel this order. Well, we'll try to cancel it. There we go. And we'll wait for a pullback. Well, coin's kind of dropping down, maybe into this zone. Might try to pick up some at 25 here. If you watched my video from yesterday, coin was slow moving. I got in a little bit later in the day. Looks like we're going to miss this entry too. We may get picked up here. Well, maybe not. Well, maybe not. Maybe I'm a little bit aggressive with my entry here. Just change this to a 5-minute chart. And it's just dancing around between around 90.60 and 91.25. Okay, we just got picked up 90 and 90.25 for 25 shares. That's my text alert. The thing I love about the Thinkorswim platform is I can send text messages to my telephone when I get a fill on a stock or an option. I would imagine it works on futures as well. So we're long from 90.25. And I'm going to change this chart back because I've got two 5-minute charts open here. And I don't need two 5-minute charts open. Qs are down $1.40. SPYs are down 43 cents. We're 13 minutes in to the trading day, and coin is already acting slow, just like it did yesterday. Look at that. More of a long-term thing with coin. I like this little hourly base. If it can get up over 92, 92 half, might run. I think I'm going to pause this. We're just getting some more dead air. Well, this isn't going the way I expected it to, so tempted to either add or kill it. See if we can pick up a little bit more here. Okay, so we've got 50 now with a cost of $89.55. Which isn't too far away on the chart, unless we keep dropping. Well, this isn't good for anybody here. We're down $100, unrealized. This is not good at all. Just want to show you something. This 5-minute bar is about ready to close, and I've got my volume overlapped, but look how much volume we've had on this candle. 434,000. Maybe we can get this thing to flush out here, and we're getting close to 10 o'clock market time. We're about 9:55 here. I'm going to pick up 25 more if it'll let me. Something tells me it will. So hoping to see more of a pop on this last candle. We'll see what happens here at 10 o'clock. So we're long from 90.25 and 88.85. Average 89.55. Okay, let's put us down to 88.70. We got 75 shares. I'm going to pause the video for a while. Okay, gang, it's 10 o'clock, and we've gone nothing but down. None of my entries have been good. So, as per the rules, I can only go 25 more. But if we don't see a bottom here pretty quick, then I'm going to just have to bail on this trade. And we'll lose all of our fish money for the week and last week, and then some. Well, we've dropped to 84.91, and we may be getting a little bit of a bottoming sign here. Bring in a 5-minute, and I really like the volume on this last candle. So maybe we finally got the flush out that I was thinking we had a couple of bars ago. We're still not in good shape on this trade, but we'll see what happens. I think this 15-minute candle, if we can get some more volume to come in and put in a nice bottoming tail, we've probably seen the low of the day. So I think we'll just sit and wait. I brought in a chart of the Qs, and I really like that bottoming tail. We have 3.5 minutes until this candle closes. The spider looks similar. And coin's trying, but it's just not doing much. So I think, again, we'll just sit tight. Well, this is a 5-minute candle. I was thinking maybe on this one we could be putting in a higher low. Maybe on this one we could be putting in a higher low. The volume was decent on this last candle. Not great. We'll see what happens. The spiders and the Qs, which were looking promising, are starting to turn south. So, and we were looking at 15-minute candles of those, right? Yeah, I mean, this was looking to be a nice bottoming tail, as was that, and they just turned red, as is coin. So here we are. Now, there was decent volume on that last candle, on the 15-minute. Well, this is just not good. I like the volume on that last 5-minute candle, but this just keeps dropping. And the markets are just dropping too, so this is not good. Well, this is the most encouraging this has looked for a while. And on the 5-minute, it's trying to put in a 180 reversal. But it's starting to lose this candle here. And the market's down 5 15-minute bars in a row, the Qs anyway. I think I'm going to do my last add in this, somewhere under 85, and I might just hold this and sell the call against it. Just breaking all the rules, but we got up to 85.25 a while ago, which was making that look like a nice bottoming tail. But now we've retraced back down. And we got 5 more minutes left in this candle, so we'll see. Well, I did put an order out there at 84.75. So I'm not sure if that's the smartest thing I've ever done. But okay. 87.71. That's the last ad. Just for fun, I'm going to have to pause this. So I'm going to say, just for fun, let's look at call options now. Our cost is 87.71. We could sell an 88 call for Friday for over 237. We could get $2 for an 89 call. We could push on $2 for a 90 call. I mean, this is very tempting, especially if we turn and go north again. But if we keep going south, then it's not going to be good for anybody. Pardon me, I had to clear my throat. Now, we've got 3 minutes, well, a little more than 2 minutes left in this candle. And if this would close this way, and if we could get some volume to come in like we had back here, I'm very confident that the low's in for the day. Maybe that wasn't a bad ad either at 84.75. Now, just writing these down here. I started out at 90 1/4. Actually, let's just put these on the chart. We can do that with this platform. Let's see. Show trades. Show trades. And that's kind of a neat thing to do once in a while. Oh, it's showing some trades from some previous videos. So let's just bring up a 5 minute because we don't need those from yesterday. Oh, that's my phone. Hold on. That's my mother. Hold on. Okay, here's our buys. Now, we were way too early right here. Way too early. This one here was not bad. Actually, these two really weren't that great either. I wish I had about 50 or 75 down here. We'll see. We'll see. Now, we are taking out this red candle here, or we're trying to. We did, but we've pulled back again. We got just a few seconds left in this candle as we're starting to give up the green here. I will tell you that the Qs are putting in a really nice bottoming tail, as are the spiders on 15-minute charts. So, okay, new candles, new 15-minute candles. Let's take a look at options again. Actually, if we could get this up, if we could get this close to cost, if we could get this up to $88, at that point, do we take this off or do we sell a call option? And probably the prudent thing to do would be to just take it off. So these are the calls, and they still got a lot of value in them for 3 days left. Silly things down 675 today. So far, we don't have any follow-through on the Qs and the SPYs. And we don't have any follow-through on this either. So I think we'll just pause the video and see what happens over the next half hour or so. And we're back after quite a pause. Well, the Coinbase has been good to me. I'm back to my cost here, so I'm going to be taking shares off here pretty quick here. This has been a gift. What I'd love to do would be to sell this around that declining 20, but I'm not going to get that greedy. I think if we could push up over 88 some, I'm just gonna start taking shares. Qs and the SPYs are strong. Been a heck of a turnaround here. Salvaged some fish money yet here out of this trade. Okay, we've printed 88. I'll shoot. This has been a long video. We're 20 minutes here. I'm going to pause this because we just have some more dead air. Okay, we're printing 88 here. Going to put one lot out at 88 1/4. And I don't think we're going to fiddle around with these other lots. Just get these out the door here. Sell this into strength and just be flat. Be thrilled with the gift that the market's given me here. Printed 23. Oh shoot, we printed 23. Yeah, we printed 25. I didn't get filled. Okay, we got one lot out the door at 25. I said, love to sell up that declining 20, but I just don't think we've got the legs to get there. Just kind of looking at the time and sales too. Okay, new 5-minute chart just printed, or is printing. Continue to have some follow through would be a beautiful thing here. Market's been up 3 pretty strong bars, as has coin here. Dang it. Well, at least we got 25 out. Oh, don't fall back on your face now. Don't fall back on your face now. Come on. We'll pause this for a minute. Again, I've been watching the time and sales. I should have taken it all up there. Should have just taken the whole lot up there. I'm going to have another order ready to go here if we'd happen to push up, which is what we're doing. We're trying to. High of that was 80, or high of that candle was 26, so I probably did pretty fortunate to get filled up there. If we could push back through 88 here, maybe we could get a little bit more of a run. And we're trying to push through 88 again. Okay, I need to have orders out there. I guess we got to 88.07. Get something out there. Say, I'm not trying to be a hero here. Put a couple out there. You know what? Let's put them all three out there. So a 10 cent, 12 cent run here gets me home. We're just stalling out a little bit here at the top of this candle. Bring in the 5. See what we're up against here. Oh, I hope I haven't missed it. Damn it, I hope I haven't missed my chance. Just a little push here. You know, I should be selling into strength on that first move and not waiting for this secondary run, and that's something I've been bad at my entire trading career, is, you know, missing the initial move and then waiting for that pullback or that comeback to sell. You got to sell into that initial strength. Take me out here. This could be it. Another thing, this 15-minute candle closes in about 2 minutes, so we'll just be aware of that as well. Just a little push. Just a little push. Boy, there is definitely resistance up there at 88.25. We are 30 seconds away from the close of this candle. This candle closes in 9 seconds. I do not like this. What I'm afraid is going to happen is this candle's going to close and we're going to go red. Hopefully I'm wrong. $18. Come on, push. Oh, we are so close. We are so close. The high of this candle's been 19, right? And I'm sitting there at 26, 27, and 30, and we just got taken out. Oh my goodness gracious. What a trade. 55.75 the hard way. Holy smokes. Well, I'll tell you what, people. We'll take it, and I feel damn fortunate to make money on this trade because I was down $300 down in this area here. The only, well, let's see, I guess half my shares I made money on. The first half I didn't. That the first entries, let's not worry about that. Let's just bring in the 5 again. And let's look at the orders. Show trades. So yeah, that was a horrible entry. These weren't really good considering the fact that we had more downside. What was the low of this candle here? 84.91. Now the low of the day has been 84.23. So, you know, if a fellow would have got long down in here, he might have even been able to have been out. But, well, buddy, that's fish money, and I'm going to call this, and I don't know, as coin continues to go. I don't know. You know what it might have done here? It might get up into that decline. Yeah, it's approaching that declining 20. That's where I was wanting to sell. High of this candle is 88.60, so yeah. But I'll take my sells where I got them and be happy. And hey, this is Jeff, the Day Trade Mechanic. That's all I got. This is a 30-minute video. If you watch this till the end, pat yourself on the back. Have a good one. We'll see you soon.